Today's featured car of the day is a 1973 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham d'Elegance. This was the first year, 1973, for the d'Elegance package on the Fleetwood, the Brougham d'Elegance, and that was priced at $750 above the other options, and would become the first of several premium trim packages that would eventually be offered to Cadillac customers who desired even more luxury and distinction than the standard models provided. The package included Medici crushed velour upholstery, two-tone shag carpeting, rubber-backed front and rear floor mats, shired elastic pockets, whatever those are, on the back of the front seats, and Brougham d'Elegance scripts on the sail panels. This car had one prior owner in Washington State, and made its way to San Diego, California. Actually, Palm Springs is where it's sold, but it has its original interior and accessories in showroom condition and a professional restoration, and with fresh Renaissance gold fire mist metallic paint and flawless chrome. Loaded with working accessories, this low mileage Fleetwood, it has 70,000 miles. Also comes with all documentation since new and the original owner's plate and manuals. Definitely a rare car, that's for sure. This one was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $15,000. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.